So this is my audience member.
Hello, I'm Troy. Have you ever wanted just to have these cool, awesome car decals for your car and other objects? Well, I have. Here is my car. I use it as like my canvas. And those are some of the awesome and cool decals that I have made using a Cricut, and I'm gonna show you how to do it too. Stay tuned. This is my audience, or my doggy Zach has decided to join us. So I am gonna show you step one of making a decal, the process of it. So here's step one. You're gonna wanna go and click on your Cricut Design Space 2 app and give it some time to load. You're gonna wanna click on New Project. You can see some of the objects my girlfriend has been working on. And then you wanna click on this little, and you're gonna click on this little cloud that says Upload. And then once you've gotten here, you want to click on Upload Image, and then click Browse. And then it's going to pop up with all the decal little picture downloadable images that you have downloaded and bought. And so for this one, we're going to do number 1, and it is a little Star Wars decal. And I am going to use that, and then I'm going to click Simple here, and then click Continue. Continue again. And then we're going to click on Save. So yeah, that's pretty much step 1 of the process, and stay tuned for step 2 and on. Okay, so for part 2, this is where you get it to the size that you want. And so I measured I'm putting it on my computer, on my laptop, so we measured out a little spot. And so now we're gonna make the size exactly what we want. So we like zooming it. So we're gonna make it smaller on this screen, and then we're gonna zoom back in so we can see it. And then we're gonna click on More here, and then it pops up your width and your height. And then so we're gonna do a 4x3. A 4x3 here. Sorry, I forgot to click on lock. Now it won't move. Okay, make sure you're actually clicking on the down button, because I'm seeing the struggle. There we go. And then there's the 4x3. And so now that is all for the sizing. It's fairly easy. I just struggled to click it for some reason. So there you go. All right, so the next step here, we're gonna click Make It. All right, then I'm going to move over to the Cricut. You're gonna wanna click the power button and then open it up. And then, okay. And then you drop down to your little grid, and you're going to want to take off this tape. Sorry that the camera here. Take the tape off there, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to line this bad boy up. I got to make sure I do it all right. All right. And then we're going to slide it in here. Then you're going to want to click Continue here. This is the screen that pops up after you click Continue, and it says Material Set to Vinyl. So you want to go right here, and you see that little divot there, and it says Vinyl. So we're good. This will be flashing, so you want to click that. That is okay. Now you see the Cricut sign is flashing, so we want to click that. And so now the process of cutting your decal has begun, and we will be back with the whenever it's done cutting. So you want to click that to unload it, and then it unloads, and you can kind of see it. And we're going to use this tool right here to cut through all that and to get the excess vinyl off. All right, so now you're done. All you have to do with your computer left is you want to click Finish, and then you're ready to go on that. And then here you just want to take this off the tape here, and you want to pull, and you can start to see the decal forming. And I made it red because I thought it would look cool. And so there you go. There's some of the excess vinyl. Now there's like little ones in there for the R, the A. So yeah, we're gonna go in and we're gonna do that, and then we'll be back with hopefully close to the finished product. So we cut out a piece of this. It's called transfer tape, Cricut transfer tape. And we're gonna go ahead, here is what it looks like right now since we took the little excess decal out, or the excess material out. And we're gonna go ahead and put this transfer tape on top. Got this off, this is the transfer tape, and you wanna make sure that the sticky side is on the decal side. All right, so you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna put your transfer tape over top of your decal. And you're gonna use this, it's a rub tool. Like in my outline, I said you can use like a credit card or one of these rub tools that comes with the Cricut. So, and you're just gonna keep rubbing and rubbing and rubbing. All right, so I've been doing this for about, I'd say 5 minutes. So now we're gonna go ahead and you're gonna wanna make sure that all your decal is on the transfer tape, just like that. So now you're gonna wanna apply it to the object, and I'm putting it on my laptop, like I said, right on the inside here. It looks really, really good. And you're gonna want to, again, use your object, whether it be a credit card, your Cricut tool, and you're just gonna keep scrubbing. All right, so we've been doing this for a little over 4 minutes. And we're gonna see if it's ready. All right, so there you can see the finished product. It looks really, really good, turned out really well. So yeah, pretty much every tool that you use basically comes with the Cricut, other than a couple of the papers that we used and the Cricut tape and all that fun stuff. But the tools come with it, and it's a really fun time. My girlfriend's way better at it than I am, but we have fun doing some of these decals. But yeah, so that's pretty awesome. You guys saw my car earlier on, and yeah, so I hope I taught you well. I'm pretty bad at explaining things, but I hope I did well. Thank you guys for listening.